we have a piece of pallet wood. Just pry it off. We're going to go through and square it up. Cut the end. Now to cut this one. Here we go. Might have to. This was a profile outline cut. I made the wrong cut, but I'm going to probably put it together like that. Maybe leave a little bit of a gap and fill it with some epoxy, or a depth difference there. However, the other one I did below it is just a V carve. So I'm going to fill that one with blue and see how that looks. It's just the lake shape. Alright, here we go. We got the resin today. It showed up. So it's two-part. Part A. Disconnected. Part B. And then you add your colors. It was pretty cool. The kit was pretty cool. I'll put the info on that. They give you a bunch of colors. It gives you 2 of these pump action things for helping disperse the stuff. A bunch of cups and gloves. So like they take care of you. And all this extra friggin' this shit. I didn't expect that. This stuff. So I'll have to edit that out. So that was cool. I'll be able to putty around with this and mess with it if need be. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. I'm going to do just 2 for right now. I'm going to do these 2 and see how it goes. I'm going to fill this with a blue and a blue. Might add a little bit of white speckles in there, depending. And then poly or clear coat over them. So, I'm just going to try a pour. I'll pour the thicker one first. Oh. Oh, shit. That fills up quicker than I thought. Oh, 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 oh. It's a little bit tougher to pour out in little amounts. But like I said, this is just a trial. See what it's like. So now I know if I really want to get accurate with it, I have to use some type of syringe or tube of sorts. But that looks pretty good for it being just... Wow, I didn't use up hardly any epoxy for that. Oh boy, that's going to be the issue. I'm going to have extra. I'm going to have to do them all in just blue. Oh. Interesting. Not bad. That one looks a little bit too blue, but we'll see how it turns out after I clear coat epoxy the whole thing. But I'm liking these. I'm liking these a lot.